You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
I am Armel Casinil Jr. I'm gonna teach you today how to disassemble. The first step in disassembling is unplug all the connectors. Step 2. Prepare the tools. Step 3. Prepare the system unit. Step 4. Unscrew the side cover. Step 5. Disconnect all the cable. Step 6. Unscrew and remove the power supply. Step 7. Remove the DVD-ROM and the hard disk. Step 8. Remove the expansion cards. Step 9. Gently unscrew and remove the motherboard. Thank you for watching. Just like and subscribe.